I need a divorce. Do you offer flat fees? This is a question that we get asked all the time. And I'm going to be really blunt with you. I think divorce should never be done flat fee. In fact, I think it is against your interest to go with any law firm that is doing this flat fee. It's a really strong opinion, and I do feel really strongly about it. When I have gone up against law firms that do cases flat fee, I have seen some of the shoddiest legal work that I have ever seen. And I am not, crapping on all these other attorneys out there, because maybe there's a law firm out there that is doing this really well, but that is not what I have seen. What I have seen is people will take a flat fee, attorneys will take a flat fee, and then they'll phone it in. Because it doesn't matter whether they do their best work or their worst work, or whether they spend 5 hours on a case or 50 hours on a case. They're getting paid the same either way. So the incentive is there to do it for the least amount of work possible. I've seen attorneys show up unprepared for court, forget to file important things, and to not know their evidence and not really negotiate all that hard. Another thing that I have seen is a divorce. Maybe you guys really agree on everything, and a divorce that somebody took $6,000 for really could have been done in $2,000. And so the person who's doing hourly billing paid $2,000 and the other person overpaid by $4,000. Another thing is it's just a really bad business decision. Remember when I told you that a case could be done in 5 hours or 50 hours for the same fee? Well, if you're offering flat fees as a business owner, you probably have to take on a lot more cases and a lot more clients per attorney in order to just keep the lights on. I get why flat fees are attractive to clients, but you get what you pay for. And it's really important, if you're going to get divorced, to not treat it like amateur hour. You want to work with qualified divorce attorneys that make this their life, that make sure to advocate for you, that will watch your budget, but also will put in the work needed to be the most prepared attorney in the room and to get you results.